What is up, guys? Dusty Rhodes here with Chasing the Wild. Finally got through hunting season pretty much for the most part. Pretty much been hindering up most of my time for fishing between that and work. So basically I'm with the water levels getting back to where they should be here finally. Much colder weather here coming. Gonna try to get out on the creeks a little bit now that it's post spawn, and hopefully get a couple big ones. But ended up getting a couple pretty decent bucks this year, one in Pennsylvania and one in Illinois with my bow, so I'm pretty pleased with that. I didn't really get enough footage around to make a video. Hunting's just not easy to do it with. Pretty much they come in and I hit the button and I get a little bit of footage, but that's pretty much it on that. So, but anyhow, without further ado, I got a video coming from some footage that I have archived from 2020 in March 2020 of a pretty good outing of mine. So stay tuned and enjoy. All right, hopefully gonna hook into a couple big wild browns up through here today. Stream is definitely notorious for them. I hooked one of my biggest wild browns in this stream that I ever witnessed. I'm figuring it was between 27 and 28 inches. Just a huge fat female. I don't know how good I'm going to do in this sunlight today. Yesterday I actually did pretty good in the sun, fishing a different stream. Most days sunlight is not very good. I think the factor yesterday was a lot of the spots I was fishing had a little hemlock cover. There was a little bit of shade. I think that's primarily the reason why I did so good. If I happen to find any sort of an undercut, they could come out from that even in the sun. Caught a really good one out here last year. It's hard to fish, you gotta let it basically sink to the bottom. And then hope you don't get snagged. Oh. Felt like a fish. Oh, that's not gonna work. It's the part about letting it sink to the bottom that kind of sucks. It's so deep, you're just really not sure where bottom is. This hole right here has got to have multiple 30 inchers in it. I don't think I'm exaggerating either. Like, this thing's legit. Problem is, you gotta have it just the right casts. So I think these big trout, they don't move much. This hole has an extreme amount of structure, as you can see, and I think these big fish, most of them, like the real big ones, they're just tucked away probably under that undercut or this log jam until dark, then they come out. That's just my theory, but I think I'm probably pretty accurate because I don't ever get any big fish. I saw one big one in this hole one time, and it was I don't know, probably 2 foot. It's actually I cast it up here and it come in right there. But I could probably use all my spinners in this hole. There's so much freaking underwater crap. And if you're not getting down to the bottom, you're not even gonna have a chance at getting the big fish, so gotta let it sink. Last time I was here, I caught a pretty good one right underneath of this crap. There it is. There it is again. That's crazy. Might be the same one, unless that's a male. If this is a male, that's a different fish. And it looks to be a different fish. Oh yeah, that's a male, that's a different trout. Definitely not the same one that I caught under there the last time. Beautiful. Got you, buddy. Kinda. Alright, I got you now. Oh yeah. Man, is he a beauty. Yeah, this is a way better fish than I caught there the last time. Man. Look at that guy. His tail's all beat up, man. Alright. Snag some pictures of this big hoss here. That's awesome. Yeah, that's a quite a bit better fish than the female I caught out of there the last time. $21, yeah. Alright, dude. Get you right back in here. Beautiful. All right. Love it. All right, this little spot right here, I've always loved a lot. Caught a big one out of here last year. Take it. I don't know if you just saw that, but a nice, pretty decent one just swiped at it. Ooh. That sucked. There it is. It's not a big fish at all. It's 13, 14 inch fish. Might have been the one that swiped at it though. The good news is I'm getting into fish now. Well, that fish pushing 15 inches actually. Just a little skinnier than I thought. Probably 14 and a half. Got a real nice male out of here last year. It was around 21. There's some spots up through here that could be, could hold some fish here. This one right up here in particular looks pretty decent. Try and work the edges of it so I don't get snagged. See if I can get something to come out from under it. Right under that brush pile should have been the spot where he was at, but could be up above this log too. Now there's pretty much no doubt in my mind there should be a fish in this spot. Whether I can get it or not. Sometimes all they have to do is see it and they'll come and nail it. Other times you just got to get it close enough to where they're at. They're finicky bastards. That's why I love them. Spot right over here looks pretty solid. It's actually one of these deeper spots that, yeah, right when the wind just starts blowing like crazy right there. Anyhow, what I was saying, these deeper spots that are kind of in a flat area that have like a bunch of cover. Sometimes these big browns they'll just get old living in a spot like that. You don't even know they're there. They're laying under that crap. And I've had so many of them come out from under it. Another deep little spot right here. That was a far from great cast, but if I can make it perfect, I might be able to illustrate what I'm talking about here. Oh my god. That's exactly what I was talking about. Exactly. My god, is that a big fish? That's a big one right there. That's a really big fish. Whew. Yeah, that's a real good fish right there. Jesus. That is ridiculous that just worked out like I planned right there. Yeah, this fish is 2 foot, every bit of it. Really good fish right here. Big female. I am going to give her a little touch here. Ooh, she doesn't want to be landed, I don't think. Not yet. I wanted to give her a grab, but I don't know. Come on, girl. Yeah, I touched her. She didn't like that at all. Whew. Man, I don't have them freaking scrap like this too often. This thing is absolutely full of it. I don't want her to get off. I actually literally haven't landed her yet, so to speak. She looks like she's hooked decent. She may very well be pushing 25 inches, ladies and gentlemen. This is a big fish. All right, control her a little bit. There you go. Oh man. Hey, no, freak. Get back out here. Screw this. You ain't getting into that stuff. I'm gonna have to get her over here on this side. Got her. What a tank. An absolute beast. I really want to get her up here. She's kind of played out now for the most part. The picture looked, well, she knows where she's at here. She's like, my home's right up there. Yeah, I kind of, I was thinking GoPro chip just filled up. I just measured this big girl. She is 25 inches. Absolute tank of a female. I'm going to get her released here real quick. Oops. I'll film it here in a second. Release. Gotta get these troubles out of here real quick. Gotcha. Okay. Alright, here she is. What a tank of a fish. There she goes. Right there's where I caught her. Right under that crap. Was just coincidentally talking about it on my GoPro. I'm like, yeah, these areas of overhanging undercuts and stuff could really hold some big fish. Sure enough, 25 incher. Well, as always, guys, I hope you all enjoyed. Really appreciate all the support on the channel as of late. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm hopefully going to stay a little more regular with some good fishing content for you guys. So get a little bit better weather here, and hopefully the creeks stay open all winter and be able to get you guys some good footage. So, and myself. So, all right, guys. Catch you on the next episode.